आयज आमी हांगासर आसात श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमाचेर आणि आयज 32वें ऑल इंडिया बिल्डर्स कन्वेन्शन परिशद जी आसा, बिल्डर्स परिशद आसा, ते परिशदेक हांगासर आमचे 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 गोंयाचे सुपुत्र नीज गोंयकार बाब सीझर हांगासर आसात आणि आयज तांचो जो हे आसा वुडन होम्स जे आसा ताजो एक हांगासर ते वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड करतात, गोल्डन बूक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड्स. सो आयज आमी तांचे कडेन तांचे ह्या सगळ्या प्रोजेक्टा बद्दल जावं तांचे हे हो जो बिझनेस आसा तांचे आयज मेरेन तांची ही जी क्रिएटिविटी आसा त्या संदर्भान आमी तांचे कडल्यान जाणून घेवया. सीझर बाब, म्हाका एक सांगात, तुमी कितलीं वर्सां जालीं ह्या हातूर आसा, बिझनेसान आसात?
माझे नाव सीझर अँथनी जीजस फर्नांडीस. माझ्या कंपनीचे नाव वुडन होम्स इंडिया. आम्ही प्री फॅब कॉटेजेस, वुडन कॉटेजेस मॅन्युफॅक्चर करता. आम्ही बाणावलकार आर नोन टू बी कार्पेंटर्स अँड वी आर फ्रॉम बेनावलन.
कितलीं वर्सां जालीं तुमी ह्या हातूर आसा, फिल्डान आसा?
17 वर्सां जालीं मॅडम. लाकडाचें काम करता म्हणल्यार म्हाका 17 इयर्स जालीं.
आणि ही जी आसा, ही आयडिया जी आसा पळय वुडन नेस्टाची, तुमकां कशी आयली तुमचे तकलेन?
मॅडम, आमी 17 इयर्स आतां आमी जे कॉटेजीस बांदून आयल्या, इज बिकम लिटल मोनोटोनस. सो आतां असलो नवे डिझायन लोकांक they like this kind of new designs, and this particular style is in focus, and people love this kind of A-shaped designs. So that's why we attempted to do something like this. We have done such products out of Goa. आम्ही हम्पी रिसेंटली एक प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट केल्लो आसा आणि थंय आमी अरावंड 5 to 6 युनिट्स ए फ्रेमाचे घातलेले आसा. पूण गोंयांत खूब कमी ए फ्रेमाची गाडी केल्ल्यो आसा. बट ओवरऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया वी हॅव डन लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स.
हाजो एक्चुअल उपयोग जो आसा पळय, यूज जो आसा पळय न्ही, आनी ताजे बेनिफीट कितें आसा?
सो हो जो प्रोडक्ट आसा हो यू कॅन यूज इट एज अ टायनी हाऊस कॉन्सेप्ट. आणि टायनी हाऊस म्हणल्यार यू कॅन अकोमोडेट इन दिस स्मॉल 363 स्क्वेअर फीट कॉटेज ऑलमोस्ट 6 people can live in the cottage, fully functional. तितून पेंट्री आसा, फुल फ्लेज. यू कॅन इवन कुक इन दॅट पेंट्री. देन देर इज अ इनफ स्टोरेज. स्टेरकेसा पोंदार स्टोरेज आसा, सेपरेट चेस्टर म्हणून आसा. मागीर सोफा कम बेड आसा वे 3 people can लिटरली 3 to 4 people can sleep. दॅट बीग सोफा कम बेड आसा. आणि लॉफ्ट आसा, लॉफ्टाचे वयर एक बेड आसा, सो अनदर पर्सन कॅन स्लीप. सो यू कॅन यूज इट एज अ टायनी हाऊस. यू कॅन गिव इट ऑन रेंट. यू कॅन अर्न रेवन्यू आउट ऑफ इट. You can use it as your office space, convert करून office space den for yourself म्हणून होता. Your area कशी, you can use it for that purpose. You can use it in your farms. You can use it the way you want it. एक music studios तुका करूंक जाय या recording studio करूंक जाय, you can use it for that purpose. So you can multiple use it for your purposes. Yeah.
हे आतां सगळे फूल जे आसा ते वुडन आसा न्ही, लाकडाचे आसा. ताजी सेफ्टी कितें? कारण तुमी म्हणटा की हांगा पेंट्री आसा म्हणटा, आनी मागीर कशें कितें?
अच्छा मॅम, अशी आसता न्ही की प्रिकॉशन्स आमी सगळ्यांनी घेवचेच पडटा. आमी केन्ना कस्टमर जेन्ना आमचे कडेन विचारता न्ही, आमी एक ताका एग्जांपल दिता. वेन वी वर यंगर ऑर वी यूज टू लिव इन palm leaf houses, cook with palm leaves and still live and still be alive. The cause of concern is now. Yeah, but safety precautions are better than cure. Precautions has to be taken, but nevertheless precautions are taken. जेन्ना कुकींग करपाचें आसता आनी फूल फ्लॅश तुका कुकींग करपाक जाय जाल्यार बर्नर घालून कुकींग करपाक जाय. एट दॅट एरिया वी गिव अ स्टेनलेस स्टील प्लेट. But in this cottage we have provided a electric induction cooker. Yeah, but if you want to put a stainless steel plate and do that, that is also possible. That is absolutely not a problem. Second thing, regarding the safety, जे fire hazards आयच्या दिसांनी जो आवाज जाल्लो आसा, that has been a major concern. So one important aspect for fire concern is escape. So escape designing is very essential. So we are considering that in all of our cottages. So within 40 square meter and under, the escape is easier, and you have to design it that way. That is one important thing. Second thing, we can use fire retardant paints on request. That is also possible. And third, the wood by itself has got its own time to catch fire. ते आम्ही कितें म्हणटा रपरपीत उजो लागता ना तशी लागना. It has its own density. The density of this wood is 500 kgs per cubic. So a harder density takes more time. Pine is normally known to burn fast, but this is not that pine. This is a harder density pine. 500 kgs per 500 kgs per cubic is a density of a salwood, Indian salwood. It starts like that, so it takes time. So this technique and this integrities are taken into consideration for safety.
कसले लाकूड वापरता तुम्ही हेका?
आम्ही हांगा रेड पायन यूज करता. दिस इज एन एक्सटिरियर C24 ग्रेड म्हणटा तेका, एंड नॉट मेनी पीपल इन द कंट्री यूज दिस ग्रेड. दिस ग्रेड इज स्पेशली इम्पोर्टेड by us, and some of the traders also imported only for us. Recently in my trip from Delhi, I met some vendors. They say, and they did not know me, but they knew my company. They said there's one guy in India who buys this grade and no one else buys it. And they said it is Wooden Homes India. And I was just smiling at them to say, it was me, but they did not know that was me. So we use a C24 red pine grade. So that is a very good quality of material, better for outdoor use. Yeah.
हे आता तुम्ही हांगासर आता तुम्ही आयज हाजे खातीर रेकॉर्ड करता. तुम्ही आता वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड करपा खातीर तुम्ही हे केला. मेन उद्देश कितें, वॉट इज द मोटीव बिहायंड इट?
The motive is, after working for 17 years, I think the Wooden Homes India requires some recognition of the credibility and credentials they have built. And most of my customers are, I always say 90% of my customers are repeat customers. And why they are repeat? Because of precision, because of timelines, because how fast we do this job, and because of the kind of service we give. And now it's a time to showcase that, the speed, the time, the efficiency of the boys, the effectiveness of the boys and the team. So that is the reason we want to focus in this and show that yes, we were doing this. We might not be visible, but now we want to show ourselves that there is somebody, Wooden Homes India, to build something good for people and deliver. So we want to say committed to deliver.
वॉट इज इट्स लायफ? कितलो तेंप मेरेन ते बरें उरता?
मॅडम, आता आमकां 17 वर्सां जालीं. So that means if something was wrong, I would have to shut my shutters. By God's grace, everything is going great, right? But I look at a lifespan of a structure for more than 30 years, right? But doesn't mean that it will completely deteriorate and disappear. Na. Suppose कितें तरी चुकला, कुसला, हे जाला ते जाला, ते रिप्लेस करूंक येता. We can fix it, right? It's like one chair from 6 chairs on your dining table. One chair is broken. You can fix that leg and fix it up. So it will give you, as long as you maintain it well, it's going to give you its life.
एक तुम्ही आता हे अशे एकाच जाग्यार बांदता न्ही, ते समजा एक कोण तरी 4 वर्सां रावता, 5 वर्सां रावता एक कडेन, आनी ताका ते दुसरे कडेन व्हरपाक जाय जाल्यार ते व्हरपाक जाता.
See, that's the best part of our product. That's the best. I mean, we are known for that. In the time when there were issues with the regulations, that is the time people had to come to us, Baba, please dismantle it and give it to us. Then the inspection was done, please assemble it and give it to us. That's the best part. And there has been time that people have used the structure and after some time dismantled it and sold it. So that's the best part. So product value, आमी जेन्ना बांदता zero जायना. I was recently talking to one of my boy, and he said, sir, this particular person in Anjuna that we have built a house, he has almost 16 years back he built it. Now he wants to go for a more better one, but he wants to sell the old ones, and he's still getting value for that. I said, please tell him I will give him a buyback, because I want to keep it as my, as a memory for the oldest cottage that we built. So you can retrieve that back. Yeah.
आमी म्हणजे घरा बांदता तेन्ना आमी जमनीचेर बांदता, म्हणजे बुनियाद आसता आनी हे सगळे. ह्या घराक म्हणजे ह्या लाकडी घराक कितें बुनियाद, कितें कसली आसा, आनी फावंडेशन जें आसा पळय तें कशें आसा. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार आमी मातयेन जेन्ना घरां बांदता तेन्ना खुबशे फावटी इवन हाजी सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीटची घरां आसता ताका हें येता, वायटी म्हणटा पळय ती वायटी येता. हे लाकडाचें ताजी कितें हें आसा, कशी सेफ्टी आसा?
पळय मॅडम, कितें आसता न्ही, पयलीं ते बुनयादाचें उलया. फावंडेशन कॅन बी क्रिएटेड द वे यू वॉन्ट. म्हणजे तुज्यांनी मॅटल फॅब्रिकेटेशन फावंडेशन करून ताजेर सिमेंट शीट घालून तुवें स्ट्रक्चर बांदूं येता. सेकेंड तुवें PCC घालून या लॅटरायट फावंडेशन घालून बॅकफिल करून PCC घालून यू कॅन बिल्ड द स्ट्रक्चर. So foundation, it depends upon the strata of the land, the need of the land and the need of the client. So that is the way foundation can be built. Above that, structure is built by us and the foundation is built by the customer. Now the second question is regarding the termites. Termites is a very sensitive issue, and a lot of people say, it's wood, like तुवें म्हणलें पळय लाकडाचें घर ते termite लागतले. No. Why? The first important thing for termite is it requires moisture. लाकडाक मॉइश्चर जर आशिल्लो जाल्यार टर्मायट येतलो, नंबर वन. सो आमी जेन्ना लाकूड यूज करता ताजो मॉइश्चर काडटा, वी क्लीन ड्राय द वूड. सो देर इज इट्स नॉट दॅट देर इज नो मॉइश्चर, देर इज वेरी लेस मॉइश्चर इन द वूड, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, वी यूज द राइट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट on this. So we use one American product by a company called Bayer. It's a very proven product over the generations. So when we use this product, it has given the desired results for us. And we had infestations before. We use a similar product and we have eliminated them completely. Completely means completely. And now we don't have it because we are using that product. So it is about how you use the right product to take care of your cottage.
हे असल्या म्हणजे लाकडाची जी घरां आसा पळय ती एक्झॅक्टली खंयचे ज्यो एरियाज आसा, खंयच्या वाठारांनी अशे म्हणजे खंयचे स्टेट्स म्हणुया जावं खंयच्या हातूर चड ताजो उपयोग जावपाक शकता, बेनिफिट्स?
आमी कॉटेजी बांदल्या रायट फ्रॉम मेघालया शिलाँगान बांदल्या, त्रिपुरा बांदल्या, त्रिपुरान कुमलुंगान बांदल्या, मागीर गुजरात बांदल्या, इंदौर बांदल्या, महाराष्ट्रा तरी खुबशी बांदल्या, केरला बांदल्या, अँडमान आयलंड सुद्दां बांदल्या, हॅवलॉक आयलंड्स अँडमानान, मागीर नील आयलंड्सान बांदल्या, मागीर अँडमानान बर्मनाला म्हणटा ते बांदल्या. एंड दॅट ऑल्सो क्लायंट्स आर रिपीट क्लायंट्स ऑफ अस. सो वी हॅव वर्कड इन and we have also worked in Cherrapunji. In Cherrapunji, we have done a project at the foothills of Cherrapunji of around 5,000 square feet. That means 500 square मीटरचे घर, 5 बेडरूमाचे घर बांधले आम्ही ते. Yeah, huge, massive bungalow we have built for one of our clients. And it's been, for that house, it has been 4 years now. We have not got a single call. So, हे झाला, ते झाला, पडला, कुसला, काहीच ना. That means 5 bedroom, they must have paid a lot of money for it, right? So, but it looks good, and we have proven our product. Quality of the product is proven across all region, all kind of climates.
गोंयान तुम्ही अशें बांदला?
खुबशे बांदला मॅडम गोंयान. गोंयान एक्चुली जितली तुका म्हाज्या हिशोबान हंबली सेंग 95% ऑफ वुडन कॉटेजीस इन गोवा वील बी मेड बाय अस. या एंड
मोस्टली कसल्या युजा खातीर वापरता ते हे तयार करता?
Tourism. Most of it is tourism. And we have built personal houses also. 3 bedroom houses, 2 bedroom houses, out farm stays. We have built that as well. Yeah.
आणि हाजो एकूण म्हणजे आज जे तुम्ही हांगा स्ट्रक्चर उबें करता ताजो जावं इन जनरल जे लोक आपल्या घरा जाय ती अशी बांदता ताजो कॉस्ट कितें आसता?
कॉस्ट डिपेंड्स अपॉन युअर सिलेक्शन. तूं कसलो प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट करता त्या हिशोबान तुजो कॉस्ट. सो इफ यू गो फॉर अ सिंगल युनिट, it will cost you, say, approximately a 260 square foot unit. We are selling at X factory DIY price of around 3,50,000 X factory price. So we are now mostly promoting DIY, do it yourself concept. आता IKEA सगळ्यांना ऐकलं असतले, आणि IKEA आता गोंयान येयला म्हणून खूप आवाज जाल्लो आसा. And it is a DIY product. You have to build it yourself, and in your future DIY will shine. So we are launched these products at DIY. Help जाय, we can give you 1% free of cost. 1%. You take your team, एक भुरग्याक घे आणि तू बांधून घे. He will give you for 2 to 3 days. You take care of his food and accommodation and get it built. So that is the kind of model we have. And it is very reasonable. 3,50,000 for a 260 square feet unit, X factory.
तुमचे मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युनिट खंय?
माझे मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युनिट बाणावले. So that's where we do the entire prefab structuring. सध्या एकूच आसा. By God's grace we'll look. We work pan India. From this unit, we work pan India. We work pan India. We have done export as well. Not much of export, but we have done export. आमकां एक्चुअली गरज आसना लोकॅलिटी पळोवपाची ओ जागा पळोवपाची आमकां गरज आसना बिकॉज आमी प्रीफॅब कॉटेज विकता DIY कॉटेज विकता बट इफ द कस्टमर आस्क्स अस टू कम एंड विजीट we go there to give them the ideas, the thought process, kashi karpak jai. As a consultation we take and we do it free of cost. Many a times we do it free of cost consultation. We tell them how the placement needs to be done, what needs to be done, kityak khai aspak jai the. So a lot of people, especially in the hospitality industry, they need to know what needs to be done where and why it needs to be done there. That is a base most of the people they don't have, and that's why the property doesn't turn out to be good. It turns out haphazard, wrong जाग्यार wrong वस्तू अशी दिसता. So that should not happen. So we give them the right advice, we give them the right consultation, the right direction. That's how we work. We understand the customer's need. We will design it as per the customer's requirement.
तुम्ही म्हटले की सगळ्या क्लायमेटान हे चलता म्हणजे थंडेच्या दिसांनी म्हाका दिसता थंडी लागची ना भितर आसत जाल्यार गरमेच्या दिसांनी गरमी लागची ना पावसान कितें
see what is outside you will have that climate inside as long as it's ventilated well. जो climate भायर आसा तो भितर तुका मेवतलो as long as it's ventilated well. But normally wood is a very good insulator. So if you put the air condition on, it will hold the AC very good and good cooling will happen. If you put a heater on, it will heat the cottage well. Or if the heat comes from the sun through any sources, then it will stay inside. So the climate stays the way it is. So
पावस येताना पळय लाकडाचे आशिल्ल्या कारणान मागीर पावस हाजो उदकाचो पावसाचो ताजेर इफेक्ट जायना
ना उदकाचो इफेक्ट एका लागून जायना की वी यूज अ वेदर कोट ट्रीटमेंट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड दॅट प्रोटेक्ट्स अँड सील्स द सर्फेस फ्रॉम ऑब्जर्विंग एनी मॉइश्चर ऑर वॉटर सो वी यूज अ वेदर कोट ट्रीटमेंट
मागीर आतां आमचे हाजे सियाचीन म्हणा जावं आमचे जे आर्म फोर्स आसा जे बॉर्डरीचेर आसा तांकां थंडेचो जावं थंय आयस पडटा ताजो खूब असो प्रॉब्लम जाता तांचे खातीर असो कितें एक वेगळो कितें तुमी केन्ना विचार करूं ना जावं गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन अशें कितें हें घालूं ना
मॅम आमी केन्ना विचार करूं ना बट हो जो प्रोडक्ट आसा मेजरली फॉरेनान कोल्ड रिजनानूच यूज जाता खुबशे जाग्यार तूं कॅनडा वच जाल्यार कॅनडा तुका हेच लाकडाचीच घरां दिसतली युएसान तुका लाकडाचीच घरां दिसतली सो दे आर मेंट फॉर कोल्ड रिजन मेजरली बट देर इज अ प्रोसेस टू दॅट तेका इन्सुलेशन करपाक जाय आनी खुबशे चेंजीस करून उपयोग करूंक जाता
तेच म्हणटा की आमचे बॉर्डरीचेर जे आमचे हे आसता सोल्जर्स आसता फौजी आसता आमचे तांकां खूब असो प्रॉब्लम फेस करचो पडटा आयस पडटा मागीर हय टेंट्स बी तांचे आसा वुडन टेंट्स जे आसा पळय ते तसो तुमी केन्ना विचार करूं ना जावं समजा तशें कितें आसा जाल्यार तुमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन कित्याक वचना म्हणजे आमचे हाजे खातीर सोल्जरा खातीर म्हणजे आमचे मिलिटरी खातीर
आतां तुमी म्हाका एक नवी डायमेन्शन दिलो म्हणटच देव बरें करूं तुका आतां हांव एक डिझायन प्लॅन करून तांकां अप्रोच करूंक शकता की अशी आमी कॉन्सेप्ट करूंक येता म्हणून आमी रिसंटली आनी एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च केल्लो दॅट इज अ कॅबीन ऑन व्हील वुडन कॅबीन ऑन द व्हील आमचे कडेन अजून स्टॉक आसा सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट दॅट वी कॅन इनकॉर्पोरेट सो थँक्यू करतलो आय वील अप्रोच द ऑफिसर्स
जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी कितली आसा ह्या बिझनेसांत
आमची सद्या वी हायर आर कॅपॅसिटी रायट नाव इज मोर दॅन 120 people यू आर एम्प्लॉयड बाय अस बाय माय कंपनी more than 120 employees are hired by us so we provide them training and everything
आणि समजा कोणाकूय ह्या फिल्डान येवपाचें आसत जाल्यार तुमचें कितें म्हणणें
It's an excellent opportunity. The ocean is wide and a lot of people require certain cottages and houses like this. One must try and take the advantage of the ocean and take the benefit.
तुमकां कॉम्पिटिशन आसा ह्या हातूर बिझनेसान
Actually केन्ना कॉम्पिटिशन म्हणून चिंतूना because we are always been little bit different focused on our product so we are one of the largest manufacturers in the country of wooden cottages complete prefab technique and very few companies in the country I don't think not even maybe more than 1 or 2 will be doing a prefab technique, total prefab technique. So we were the first in the country, and we have the first process line which can produce all the components without assembling at the factory. We know exactly, we prepare a component and it is manufactured with a proper process line with proper equipments. So we are first in the country like that. But yeah, there could be some people who are getting into it, but our focus is on new development, new designs, stuff like that.
एक्चुली हांवें खंयच्या तरी हाजेर चॅनलाचेर मायट बी यूट्यूब आसत खंय तरी हो कन्सेप्ट हांवें म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 7-8 वर्सां पयलीं पळयल्लो हांवें आनी म्हाका खबर नाशिल्ली की दॅट पर्सन इज गोवन आनी म्हज्या गोंयांतलो हो मनीस आसा आनी आयज तुमकां मेळून तुमचे कडेन हो सगळो कन्सेप्ट आयकून आनी तुमी इतले व्हडले एक म्हणजे युनीक अशें काम करतात आनी त्या खातीर तुमी खूब खूब तुमकां विशीस आसा. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर फ्युचर आनी खूब बरें दिसलें तुमचे कडेन उलोवन.
थँक्यू वेरी मच मॅम. म्हाकाय बरें दिसलें की तुमी येवन आमचे इंटरव्यू घेतलो म्हणून. थँक्यू फॉर रेकॉग्नायझींग अस एंड यू हॅड व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन्स. मस्ट से दॅट व्हेरी सीझन्ड. सो थँक्यू वेरी मच अँड गॉड ब्लेस युअर चॅनल टू. थँक्यू.